Okay, here's my new house. Little townhouse. Come in the gate there. Here's mine. My friend says it looks like Disney World. And this one matches mine. He's across from me. I have nothing yet. Everyone is very nice. That's Garrity. That's the street. And that's my patio gate there. Okay, so we're going to go in now. Here's the inside. The ceiling. There's the window. The front door, looking out at my neighbor. I close the door. My dining room. And we're going to walk this way into the kitchen. And right here, there's a little hallway in the kitchen. Here's the powder bath. Sorry. Really pretty. There's me. Okay. And if you go right here, these little doors here have the washer dryer. Pretty snifty. And then here's my kitchen. Here's the garage. Here's my little car. My little car. And here's my room with no furniture yet. And here's my patio. I bought the place from, gave me the grill. A little waterfall there, and fountain. Gave me that table. He gave me these little chairs too, and this little pond here. Has a turtle in it. Go back in. Here's the living room again. Pretty ceilings and the brick. Really nice stuff on the walls. Kitchen. Put a little bed there for Maggie because the garage door is right there, and so she can see when I come home. Okay, here we're going up the stairs. Got all my pictures up there on the wall that I did. Okay, up the stairs. There's Maggie. Hello, Maggie. Okay, if you go straight up, this is Faithy's room, and we're going to paint it purple, we think. She's got a cute little window, and all the ceilings are sloped. This is her room and her closet. And then this, if you come up the stairs and take a lefty, this would be Nicholas's room. Dark right now. And Faith has got a microwave and a mini fridge in here, so she thinks she's missed thing. And then if you come up the stairs and take a righty, go down this hallway. Here's Faithy's bathroom. Pretty nifty. The lights are not working and we don't know why. The fan works, so we have a lamp in here for now. Okay, and if you keep going down the hallway, here's my bedroom. There's a great big closet in here. Well, hold on. There. Big closet with the water heater in here. Okay, but anyway. You walk in, I got my spinny chairs here on this side. All these ceilings are so cool. Little dormer windows. There's my bed. And then if you come around this way, you will be in the bathroom. Turn the light on. And here's my bathroom. got a freaky mirror. And there's my Pate saloon. Shower. Me looking pretty in the morning. My big closet. So, there you go. That's my new house. Enjoy.